Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. Now today, Tectonic token price is really hitting high level. I'm happy to see Tectonic token hitting about 168.27% increase in volume. That simply means that more money have been pumping into Tectonic. Because when you take a look at the market cap have actually increased. That shows that people are actually buying more than selling. And I'm happy because Tectonic token is also one of the coins that have actually started the year 2023 with an increase in market cap and price. Tectonic token have gained about almost $11 million this year alone. So the market cap is now currently trading at $24,130,826 at the time of recording this. Now I believe this coin is going to delete a 0 or 2 zeros before the end of this year. Well, one important thing to understand about Tectonic token is this coin right now only have Crypto.com and VVS Finance as the major exchanges that have listed this coin. And now we're talking about bulk candidity, though the percentage of bulk candidity in the daily volume is not even up to 2% of Tectonic token daily volume. But if this coin can really maintain, if this coin can gain this number of market cap this year alone with just 2 exchanges, I believe that Tectonic token, by the time they start getting more exchanges having interest listing Tectonic token, this coin might be hitting towards $100 million market cap before the end of the year. And you know what that means? That means that Tectonic token will be hitting between $300 to $1,000 for 1,000% increase in price. Okay, I believe, of course, this coin, the way VVS Finance have been supporting this coin is amazing, even Crypto.com. Now let's hope to see the market cap of Tectonic token hit over $100 million this year, and it can even hit up to $200 or $500 million. It all depends on the developers, it all depends on the founders, how they are able to push this coin. And for me, I think they need to run a social media and offline campaign, just like what Floki Inu did in London. They really run a lot of campaign for Floki Inu, and Floki Inu became one of the biggest small cap coin. When you mention Dogecoin, when you mention Shiba Inu, then you have to mention Floki Inu. And what really helped Floki Inu was the advert they did on the streets of London, and that also got a lot of people attracted toward Floki Inu. And I think Tectonic token need to do that. They might need to copy that system, that plan, that the way Floki Inu actually gained a lot of holders. And I believe this year this coin will definitely increase in price, and let's hope to see Tectonic token before the end of the year hitting a massive increase in price. But remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.